All right, here's the entry elevator here at the Lambeau Field. Here in Green Bay, Wisconsin. We got ourselves a Series 2. Newer Series 2. What a one. This is Gen 2. We'll get a cabinet now. It's a decent cab for Gen 2. The flooring is, and this one does not have the Green Bay Packer logo. Indicator. Series 2 VR buttons. 4,500 volt capacity. Stand in the back. This thing definitely makes some interesting shaft noises. Here's the call button up here. It's regular Series 2. Over there, it's another entrance. There. This thing runs okay for a Gen 2. All right. There it goes. And that's it.